5 o'clock in the morning, and today we're actually going out and building the track. We actually built it last year, so today we're going to be doing some grooming and adding some additions, adding some roller sections, and adding some little supercross sections. What do you think, Taylor?
Time to get after it.
We're gonna rock this thing today, ain't we, brother?
Yeah, we are.
You know what's cool about this guy in this tractor is he's got everything on GPS, so he can GPS out the track.
Right.
Fresh dirt, love it. It's gonna be the new whoop section right here.